So my friends, welcome to a new Vechain update video. Yes, as I said, we're going to take a look at Vechain today. We haven't looked at it in a while, at least we haven't done an analysis in a long time. And because we're currently in an interesting, let's say, spot zone, I would like to make an update video here again. Of course, there are a few more zones here, but I would say that this one has actually become quite interesting. Also because we have finally received this correction that I have been warning you about for ages. That's why we're going to take a look at it today. Definitely stick around until the end. Before we start, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course feel free to rejoin the free Telegram talk and signal group if you're interested in updates, news and signals. You can find the link for that for free in the video description below. If you want to buy, trade, or do anything else with Vechain, you can of course do that at my partner exchange BingX. If you're still looking for an exchange where you can trade, buy spot, or even do staking, you can do all of that there. So please register using the link below in the video description or comment section. Yes, Vechain is currently trading at 3 cents IQOS. It actually had a decent crash, and I have too. So if we look at it in percentage terms from the top to the current level alone, we have fallen 60%, and I said it yesterday in the Cardano video. I will change my strategy a bit more. I'm already on the cautious side, and whenever any coin makes 100%, I always take my investment out, but I'm probably at the point now where I might just completely sell off and gradually get rid of altcoins one by one. Above all, the last few weeks and months have shown us that altcoins are not a long-term investment. It's about buying and selling. As soon as something hits a buying zone, you buy, and as soon as we hit a selling zone, you sell. And that's how I'll handle it with Vechain as well. The first major buying zone has been hit here, which we have between 0.03 and 0.27, meaning the approximate entry point should be around, let's say, just under 0.03, somewhere in the middle for sure. That means for me, I will take the first profits relatively quickly, when we reach the level from our top to our current low. That would fit very well because we have an 88 to 90% increase up to the top, and I don't care if it's just 90%, I will definitely take my investment out. This has security aspects, and I just don't want to take the risk of seeing another damn crash like that. Additionally, we have another important point with Vechain, a huge long wick, and these wicks will definitely be filled sooner or later. That means if the entry is perhaps still too high for you, then we'll just pull this box a little closer to this wig, thus extending these bots in the spot zone a little bit more simply to secure it a little bit more slightly. I would then very probably remove the zone down here at around 0.23 because it's just a bit too close for me, and for that I'll then enlarge the zone down a bit and say here to 0.02 up to, but then here I'll say around the 0.016 area. Those are the two prominent spot zones, the 0.01 and the $1 down here. I hope we don't reach that point again, but that would be zone NR3. So making a few adjustments to the setup for buying is definitely not a bad idea. What I still believe is that if the bull run happens again, or what kind of rally it will be, I'll be honest with you, I remain pessimistic about it. If we look at the market cap, we still have, let's say, 6 times ahead of us until we reach the all-time high. We can count 6 times from where we are now, which would be 600% or 500%. Then we would be at the overarching golden pocket from the last all-time high. So that means I'm sticking with the maximum target, which is the maximum golden pocket, and that would be another 478%. In my opinion, that's still realistic, but please don't get too fixated on it. It may be that we are just seeing this last intermediate high here at 8 cents from minus December. We'll reach 2024 and then it's game over. Every day we get tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of new altcoins on the market, meme coins, etc. That skews the results. It would be desirable if we get up here and then get into the bear market, I'll tell you that quite honestly. Please write your opinion in the comments below about what you think of Vechain. Are you invested? What do you think about the bids? Above all, what do you say about my prediction for the bull run with my price forecast of 18 cents? Feel free to write it down below. Otherwise, that's it from my side. We'll see each other tonight at 7 p.m. for the live stream on YouTube. I would be happy if many of you join in. Otherwise, until then, ciao, and as always, stay critical.